example is the gastrointestinal processes and controls. No? Again, tanong na ganina sa objectives, I told you that the function of our digestive tract or the digestive system as a whole has two major functions, absorption and digestion. And digestion. So, how gina ang iyakang may goal niya. So, we have to follow so that we would be understanding na makita mo kung yung absorption and digestion. We have to follow 6 processes that is involved in our digestive system. Ang pinakauna na physiologic function is your ingestion. From the word itself, it is the manner that we put food in our mouth. No? Again, it is the manner where we place food in our mouth. So, ang pauta na, is it voluntary or involuntary? Voluntary. That's why, na iban, ganahan mukaon, o ganahan uban, later on ang sa mukaon. Kaya it's a voluntary action. Okay? Once in the mouth, sa imong mouth, magsugod na ang imong mechanical breakdown. From the word itself, mechanical. So, mechanical is equivalent to physical na breakdown. So, kung siya may mahitabo ang physical breakdown sa akong mouth do, it is chewing or mastication. It is a function of your teeth, sa imong mouth na area. Iyahan lang bukod ang imong food into smaller pieces. Akong pangutan ng voluntary, involuntary. Voluntary as well. Okay? Kung usap ka, okay. O dili ka usap, then that is up to you. Okay? So, once after kumana to ka ng usap, then atoan lang itulon ang atong pagkaon. Okay? Atong itulon. The function of delivering the food from one area to another area of our digestive tract is what we call as your propulsion. Propulsion is one of the processes in the gastrointestinal tract. Again, on the propulsion, it is the delivering of the food, or food particles from one area to the other. That's why example of that is swallowing. Swallowing, voluntary, involuntary. Voluntary, mutulon ta, okay. Kanang it's up to us. Mutulon ta. Dili, then, wala sa time ni mo anak. Okay? So, swallowing is the act of you, sending the food that you are chewing or that you are eating from the mouth towards your esophagus. Okay? After na naabot sa esophagus, there is also a propulsion of the food from this esophagus towards your stomach. It is what we call as your peristalsis. Okay? Peristalsis is the movement of the food from the esophagus towards your stomach. Mangutanan na ko, voluntary, involuntary.
Involuntary.
Starting sa imong esophagus, the function of the digestive tract is already involuntary, such that human pagtulo nato then atuan ang involuntary na control ang bahala anak. Wala na tayo mabuhat anak. Okay? So, after maabot siya sa imong stomach area, there could be additional mechanical breakdown. By this, what we call as your churning. Kinsa ganito ang muscle layer na makapakitabo sa imong churning na sige tulog-tulog sa imong stomach. Asa mo to? Inner circular, outer longitudinal, or the oblique layer. It is the oblique layer that is the one that responsible na mag-churning ang imong stomach. Kung sa mga churning do, matuyok-tuyok siya murag cement mixer. Kaya nga nung dapat i-mix, dapat ang imong solid particle, ang imong liquid or dry. Okay? After sa imong stomach, sa imong stomach na napunay digestion dira. Digestion is the chemical breakdown. Anong chemical breakdown man nato? Diba, imong enzyme sa imong stomach, kung saan ang enzyme sa imong stomach? It is your pepsin, Pepsin plus your hydrochloric acid, they are chemicals, Chemicals na mo digest sa imong food so that the solid particle becomes a liquid particle. So, if abot nimo sa imong small intestine, naagya ko'y additional mechanical breakdown. Okay? Kung sa man ay tawag na niya do, segmentation. Segmentation para na ay usa ka area nga mag-absorb, na usa ka area mag-absorb, na usa ka area mag-absorb. So that every area ma-absorb yun ang tanan na nutrients. Okay? Additional digestion is also done in there, such that naasay mga chemicals gikan sa unsa liver or pancreas ang mga ingredient mo katag og enzyme. Pancreas, liver gali. It's only bile. Is bile an enzyme? Yes or no? No. Dili na siya enzyme. Okay? Hence, iabot sa imong small intestine, natong imong mga dagko kay mga manok ng ikauno, it's already a very minute na nutrients. That's why, after dira, you would have your absorption. Okay? Again, asa nga area sa imong digestive tract, ang major absorption itabo? Small intestine. Okay? Once mahuman sa small intestine, it would go to your large intestine. So sa large intestine, sa dito gina-absorb na lang? More the water content. No? That's why, kita mo diri, water content na lang ang i-absorb. After absorbing all the water needed and the nutrients needed, it would then go to the defecation na structure. Okay? Or process. Defecation, again, it is the movement of the waste product outside to the external environment. Okay? That's why any problem in the physiologic process, it could affect the digestive function of the body. So, for example, if dili kausap ang individual, would there be proper digestive function? Yes or no? No. For example, if naigo siya o kanang naduslakan ang patient nimo niya na putol ang iyang large intestine, naapay tarong na digestive function? Yes or no? Daily food. It should be complete and it should have a normal processes. That's why any na apektado ang anatomical na structures, it could affect the physiologic function as well. Okay? So this is the picture of your peristalsis. Your peristalsis is brought about by your equal, no? Inner circular and outer longitudinal na processes. As you can see, ang circular muscles ang mo clench sa area, while ang magpagulong siya sa ubos na area, it is brought about by your longitudinal muscle. So, saan na sa ito? Illustration na. So, ito ang esophagus, no? Esophagus niya, stomach nila, no? So, para na ay mo clench ang area, it is an action of your inner circular. Para mo propel siya to the other na area, no? Para mo naog ang imong pagkaon, it is acted by your longitudinal, outer longitudinal muscle. Such that if na ay problem sa imong muscles, no? Kung pangutan na, is peristalsis effective? Na ay problem sa muscles? Wala, no? So, there could be instances, no? Kada patient, no? Na siya problem with the muscle area, kung di ba sa innervations niya, then it could affect your peristalsis as well. Okay? That's why very important again, katong mga anatomy akong giingon dapat normal na to siya. Any abnormality, it would affect the physiologic function. Okay? So let us focus on the digestion. Katong kumiingon nga, chemical digestion. So, kung sa yung chemical processes sa ating lawas, kung ano, ma-digest yun ang atong pagkain. Let us focus in this picture. So, our body, no, needs, no? Again, our body needs nutrients. Kung sa mga nutrients man, we have carbohydrate, we have protein, and your fats. But these nutrients are not directly absorbed. Nga naman, dagko mamay na siya. It needs to be broken down via your chemical breakdown or digestion. So, unsaon na nato to? So, for example, our carbohydrate, no, usually is in a form of starch, no, starch or cellulose, no. Pwede sa kanang atong ipangkaon na usual, no, they are in a form of a disaccharide. Kung sa kay examples anang disaccharide, no, we have your maltose, no, you have your sucrose, and you have your lactose. Sa ato ang body din na siya diretso i-absorb. Ano man? Because we only absorb simple sugars known as your monosaccharides. So kung saan man nato nga ma-absorb man nato ang kaning mga carbohydrate natong ikaon, no? It is by the help of enzymes. So masugod na ang carbohydrates, no? Starch and disaccharides, no? Natong ikaon. The start of digestion comes from the mouth, no? Mag-start na ang digestion nila such that your mouth releases your salivary amylase. Kinsa to nga gland gali ang produce ng salivary amylase? It's called your salivary gland. Kung sa inyo ka type sa salivary gland, submandibular, sublingual, and carotid gland. Such that sa pag-usap pa lang mo daan, there's already starch or sugar na digestion. So pag-abot sa imuhang small intestine na ay additional chemical digestion via the release of your pancreatic amylase. Such that ang itong starch, nagpo kayo ng mga polysaccharide and disaccharide, magkahinay-hinay siya to become your disaccharides only, your lactose and maltose. Okay? Naa pa dyan additional breakdown towards your small intestine, no, via these enzymes, no, your brush border enzymes, such that your lactose becomes a monosaccharide, galactose and glucose, maltose becomes your glucose, sucrose becomes fructose and glucose. Once in a monosaccharide form, it is already absorbed by your body. Again, ang ingon, no, dapat ang i-absorb sa imong body is the smallest form or unit sa imong nutrients. Kani, mutala na ko, ma-absorb ni? Yes or no? Dili. Kani, ma-absorb? Yes or no? Dili. Dapat kani ma-absorb. Okay? Yan, dapat kani galactose, fructose, and glucose. Okay? So again, ang pumunta na, asa magsugod ang starch digestion? Mouth, asa mo puno? Small intestine. Okay? You remember that one. Asa magsugod, asa makuman. Let us go to your proteins. No? Your proteins is not directly absorbed as well. Nga naman, protein is very big. So, kung saan na nato ito para ma-absorb si protein? Protein must be converted into the building blocks of protein. Sa building blocks, amino acid. No? Amino acid. Kung saan na para imong amino acid. Okay? It would start its digestion in the stomach area such that protein is acted upon by your pepsin. Matanan na kung inside cell na mag-produce of pepsinogen galit?
Wala.
Kung sa mga cell sa imong stomach, mag-produce of pepsinogen. Starting letter C. Chief cells. Okay? Once acted by your pepsin, no? Protein acted by your pepsin, it becomes a large polypeptide. Ako, gyapon, dili ma-absorb. So, abot nimo sa small intestine acted upon by your trypsin, chymotrypsin, and your carboxypeptidase. These enzymes is the one that aids in protein digestion. Mahimo dayong small polypeptide. Okay? Small polypeptide, dili gihapon siya ma-absorb. Sige lang. May additional help from your brush border enzymes or your microvilli enzymes, no? Once acted acted upon by that, it becomes amino acids. Amino acid, ma-absorb? Yes or no? Ma-absorb. So, the start of your protein digestion comes from the stomach, ends up only in the small intestine. Okay? So, kung pangutan na, asa nag-start ang imuhang breakdown sa imong starch? Mouth. End up in the
Small intestine.
protein asa mag-start? And ends up in the small intestine. So, small intestine, absorb na tanang amino acid. Okay? Next is the last, no? Na itong kailangan i-absorb sa itong body, no? Kay, important is that, no? It is your fat, no? Kung absorb sa itong fat, ngayon nga naman, your fat is part sa imuhang pag-produce o hormone, pwede sa pag-produce o insulation, no? Importante sa itong fat, okay? Your fat is also very big. Pwede na ito na i-absorb diretso. So, it needs to be broken down into two kabuok. We have your fatty acids, fatty acids plus your glycerol. This is the purest form of your fat. So, pangutan na nimo, doon kung saan na nato na-break down. So, this is the picture in your book. So, fats is digested by the help of your bile. Bile, kinsa mo produce ni bile? Liver. Enzyme or not enzyme? Not enzyme. So, your bile together with your pancreatic lipase. So, you can remember, lipase, enzyme or not enzyme? Enzyme. No? So, bile plus your pancreatic lipase, mag-join together sila. Iyahan ang i-break down si fats into fatty acids plus glycerol. At its purest form, ma-absorb na dayon na si fats and fatty acids and glycerol sa imuhang small intestine. So kung pangutan na asa magsugod ang digestion sa imuhang fats, small intestine. And it would only end up in the small intestine only. Okay? So, for example, tanggalan din na yung small intestine ng individual, then all of the major nutrients, absorption and digestion, mawala din na siya. That's why in the hospital, we rarely touch the cancers in small intestine. Kuha may pero dili tanan na magpabilin din na kay patay ang pasyente, walay small intestine. Mas makaayo pa nga tanggalan of large intestine. The small intestine, pabayaan na din ang dahil, luoy kayo pasyente. Sige na siya, tagaan ka na rin magdaghan kayo. Sa kalitsyon, iyayaran mo yung kalipang na tanan. Okay? So, let us continue. So far, na-gets asa mag-start ang digestion. Kinsa nga mga enzymes ang involved. You study those structures no kaya yung mga pangutan to put a star into it. No joke. Akong ibang discuss or yun yung magawa sa exam. Okay? So, after learning those, no, ako ang i-apply tanan ang mga functions na to with the anatomical structures. Let us go to the activities occurring in the mouth, pharynx, and esophagus. Okay? So, ang una nga may tabo sa imong mouth is ingestion. Tanan na mabalik, voluntary, involuntary.
Voluntary.
So, i-ingest na to sa itong food ang mga areas or parts sa ito ang digestive system na involved ana, it is your teeth, para na anay, chewing, which is a voluntary function. Apil sa sitang, no, kay para itulo na to na imuduso sa pagkaon towards our pharynx area. Apil sa role si epiglottis nga nakalay iyang i-cover si larynx para ang pagkaon di mato sa trachea kay pastila ng mato sa trachea wala tayong mapapatan na no. Dako dyan na nga problema. Okay? Once in the pharynx, no, or it becomes a function called your swallowing. No? Swallowing or other names in your book, no, it's your deglutition. No? So deglutition has two phases. Kung sa manang phase nila, number one phase, buccal phase. Buccal phase is kanang naapa sa imuhang mouth, no, itulong nimo. So, i-swallow nimo naapa sa imong mouth, voluntary or involuntary. so buccal phase is voluntary, involuntary.
Voluntary.
Voluntary ba? Kaya naa pa man sa imong mouth, no? Tulon nimo. Pero once humana ka og tulon, it becomes a pharyngoesophageal phase. So pharyngoesophageal phase, no, is already where the food, no, is already present sa imong oropharynx towards your laryngopharynx, then towards your esophagus. So ako pangutana, voluntary, involuntary. Involuntary na, kaya nga naman, wala na tayo hold, no, so sinitabo sa tuhang esophagus. So from the esophagus, no, it would then be propelled towards your stomach via what function galit? Starts with letter P. Ano sa action? Peristalsis. No? Peristalsis. Muna siya ang movement sa imuhang food, no? From the mouth, or from the pharynx area, towards your stomach. Okay? So once sa stomach ka siya, kinsa ito yung unang nga part sa stomach iyang mamit? Starts with letter C. Nasikong na layo sa large intestine na. Kinsa may unang nga part sa stomach ang mamit sa imong food? Dali,
Cardio.
Cardia, no? Again, cardia, yung kalimti ako i-explain. Again, cardia is the first part na iyahang mamit. Okay? Next, eyes in here, unsa ni ka part sa stomach galing? Starts with letter F.
Fundus.
No? Diri na siya mo stay ang imong food for the meantime. Okay? So after mag-stay na ang food diri, mapunog na diri ang until sa imong body, no? This stomach would then be activated. So, ato na ta sa events occurring or activities occurring in the stomach. As I said a while ago, once there is already food, the stomach would then start to activate itself. So, kinsa ito nga cell ang produce of gastrin? Starts with letter A. So, yung paligid, enteroendocrine cell. No? Once yung enteroendocrine cell is activated, kung sa mga hormone i-produce? Gastrin. Gastrin will then activate what cell? Parietal cell to produce what? Hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid is the one that is responsible for activating kung sa mga enzyme to become pepsin. Okay. So once mahimo na si pepsin and hydrochloric acid, atong stomach will make these peristaltic waves such that ang food na sa imong fundus mo ato ang terminal region sa imong stomach called your, so may tawag kanina sa kinalasan, letter P ang pangalan. Pylorus. No? Ayaw kalimti akong mag-discuss yun kanina. Once in the pylorus, no? So the movement of the food from the fundus area to the pylorus is what we call as your propulsion. No? Same ra gyapon ang meaning sa propulsion, no? Paghatag sa food from one area to another. Once present na ang food sa imong pylorus area, magsugod na og grinding or churning. Unsa gay nga muscle responsible for grinding and churning dira sa imong stomach? Oblique layer. No? Dok ngano dapat i-grind man na siya? Like I said, no, dapat na ay grinding or churning kay mechanical breakdown man na siya. No? Para ang pagkaon ma-mix o ayos sa hydrochloric and pepsin so that the solid food becomes a liquid kind. What is ang say tawag atong liquid nga? Kind. Okay. Acidic or basic? Acidic. Okay. So after the grinding is already done, no? Ang imuhang stomach hinay-hinayon na niya o katag ang iyahang grinded nga kind towards your stomach. Kasama nga towards your small intestine. Such that, for example, ang imuhang kind diri is 30 ml. No? Pila ra may ihatag niya sa imuhang small intestine? muhatag ra na siya very small na amount. Mga about 3 ml. Such that ang habili na lang diri is 27 ml. Dok, ano dili pwede ihatag tanan? Dili pwede nga naman. Your small intestine dapat iyang i-process sa tanan so that iyang ma-produce o iyang ma-absorb tanan ng mga nutrients kana sa 3 ml. Kaya imong ihatagan at 27 ml tanan, no? 30 ml, ma-overwhelm ang imong small intestine. So hinay-hinay man siya. That's why mukaon ka karong alas 12 sa udto, you would still feel full up until 3 hours or 4 hours. Nabantay mo? So ay kaon og sangyup sa, di ba, imong paminaw. Bisag magabian na lang ka, mana ka dito mo ganang mukha ko, gusto pa man ko. It is because you do not process everything at one go siya, imong stomach. So ang pangutana ana, unsaon na sa stomach dok ang remaining 27 ml? Iyan ang ibalik dito sa body such that there is a process called retropulsion. Retro, from the word itself, iyan ibalik, no? Pulsion, which means, kuan siya, no? Ibalik niya sa body. And grinding would continue. Okay? Yan, grinding would continue. Okay? That's why, again, food would stay, no? Or the chyme would stay in your stomach for about 4 hours to 6 hours. Depending sa imong gikaon. Nagkaon kag buffet, then 6 hours. If balanced diet lang, then 4 hours only. Okay? So, manay events sa imong stomach. Okay? So, there are disease entities sa imong stomach. One of which is your esophagitis. No? Kung sa'yo naitabo sa imong esophagitis, no? Usually, the problem in esophagitis is ang imong sphincter diari sa kilid, no? Dili kayo siya mo close, such that the hydrochloric acid in the stomach would go up to your to your esophagus. Munang ma-inflame ang imong esophageal area. Unsa gay tawag ani nga sphincter galing?
Pyro. Pwede.
Cardio-esophageal. Cardia, esophagus. Cardia-esophageal. Okay? So, napoy chances no na yung mga anatomical problems ang individual. Such that, for example, hiatal hernia. Ang part sa imong stomach no, niadto sa imong esophagus area. Nana siya sa ibabaw. Such that it could also affect the esophagus na structure. That's why endpoint gihapon na kay esophagitis. Kung sa day cause galing sa esophagitis, it is the problem sa imong cardio-esophageal sphincter. Okay? Dili siya kayo ka-close o cardio. That's why ma-inflame ang imong esophagus due to the presence of your pepsin and hydrochloric acid. Okay? Let us continue. So, naabot tayo instances na natay vomiting or emesis. So, may wala ng emesis or vomiting do. It is just a reverse, no? Reverse na siya sa ato ang peristalsis. Atong peristalsis, padulungan esophagus going to the stomach. Ano siya? Reverse. Stomach, padulong sa mouth nimo ang imong food or kain nimo. Okay? Usually with the aid of your abdominal muscles. That's why, masulay mo kanang nagpupong mo kayo, magpuma, sige mong suka, sakit kayo na tiyan. No? E sige man na o contract imong stomach, kanahan na yan ipagawas ng isa ng kaunin mo or iinom the night prior. But vomiting could also be an end effect of the kanang malipong ka during a bus ride. Okay? Depende lagi hapon kung sa nga maka-affect or sa reason vomit. Basta, vomiting is just a reverse peristalsis. Okay? So, let us go to the activities of your small intestine. How man na sa your stomach? Again, chyme is here. Chyme, acidic, basic. Acidic. So, once the chyme is already passed towards your small intestine in smaller amounts, these cell would then be activated. Kaning imong cells diri sa imong small intestine. Such that iyang musignal din siya sa imong ay produce siya og hormone. Kung sa man nga hormone i-produce na niya do. It would release two hormones, secretin and cholecystokinin. What is the purpose of your secretin and cholecystokinin? So may purpose na niya do. Secretin from the word itself, no? So may mag-think nimo, secretin, secret, no? Iyahang i-act upon si bile, or bile naman, gallbladder, as well as your pancreas. So that it would secrete hormones. Kung sa or mga substances, no? Kung sa i-secrete ni gallbladder, sa i-secrete niya para sa digestion. Para sa letter B. Bile, no? Sa i-produce sa imong pancreas, no? Your enzyme. So, 4 enzymes. Lipase, amylase, chymotrypsin, trypsin, and carboxypeptidase. And lastly, we have your nucleases. That's why, in combination, no? Nanakay fat, carbohydrate, and your protein digestion in your stomach. Okay? Additionally, your pancreas would also produce acidic or basic na substance.
Sa pancreas.
Acidic or basic? Basic, no? Ano ba? Yung sa matungang substance na niya i-produce? Bicarbonate. Ayaw lagi confused. If you are listening to me a while ago, hindi mo ma-confuse. Okay? Again, your pancreas would secrete bicarbonate, which is a basic no substance, so that the chyme would be neutralized. Okay? So, ikabot na diri sa small intestine, absorb tanan nga mga nutrients. Okay? Ang mahabilin, asa man na siya padalunggo. It would go to the large intestine. Kung sa i-absorb sa large intestine, mostly water. Okay? Akong bang tanaw, does your large intestine secrete digestive enzyme? Yes or no? No, dili na. But your large intestine, kung sa may naadira do, you would have a lot of the bacteria. Pero dili mawala kang ano man. These bacteria are not harmful in any way. It would just aid in the digestion as well. For some na mga wala na digest, and would also help no produce what we call as your flatus. Bisaya sa flatus do, utot, no? It is the one that gives odor to our ano? Kanato ang mga tae. Munang na-joy odor ang tae na to, no? Isa may tae din nga walay odor. Believe na nyo ko. Okay? So, the bacteria is the one that produce your flatus. So, unsa may events nga importante sa atong large intestine do, no? We have two, no? We have the haustral contractions and your mass movements. So, you remember our haustra? Di ba mauna to siya murag chorizo, no? So, unsa may iyahang action na nalo? Kani siyang haustra nimo? Kuha na siya, movement ni siya sa imong haustras. Such that, iya sa nang punon ng isa ka haustra, no? Iyang punon, ang isa ka haustra, before na niya ihatag to another haustra. Nganong dapat mana one haustra at a time do? So that, all of the water no, na needed by your body, i-reabsorb na niya nga area. Greater contact time in each haustra, which means greater water reabsorption. Okay? Again, pag-on sa niyang isa ka haustra, then give it back to another haustra. Mauna, sa imong small intestine, it would take about 12 to 24 hours, no? Ang imuhang taim ang tuyok dira sa imuhang large intestine. Unlike your small intestine, sa imong small intestine, mga 3 to 6 hours ra, depending gihapon sa imong taon. Pero sa imong large intestine, 12 to 24 hours. Like, Look at it, no? Pila man naka-house ka, no? Naghan kaayo, no? So, again, it will take 12 to 24 hours for effective water absorption. Okay? So, unsa may kahalahian ni haustral contraction with mass movements? Si mass movements, it would only occur 3 to 4 times in one day. Such that, unsa may yung gamit ano? Si mass movements from the words of mass, no? Tanan niya i-move. So, ang iyang movement ana diretso na gyud towards your rectal area. So, these mass movements is the one that allows us to do our defecation. Siya na ang move na makalibangon na dayon ta. Okay? Makalibangon ta. That's why kasulay mo kanang malibangon na kay kanya. Surab na pa mo kay buhat na sige buhat na taani. After a while, nawala ang mong kalibangon. Pero after pila ka minutes, bumalik na po siya. It is because of your mass movements. It would not stop until you would go to the CR and do your necessities there. Okay? So, haustral movements and your haustral contractions and mass movements would then activate a reflex called your defecation reflex. Defecation reflex, no? Again, defecation reflex. Kung sa'yo may tabuan eh. What will happen? Sa kato yung haustral movements, no? Iya itong iduso ang inyong tae sa inyong sa itong S part sa itong colon. Sigmoid colon. Iya nang iduso sa inyong rectal area. Once na na-feces sa inyong rectal area, ma-activate na dayon ang inyong mga muscles dito. Sa itong involuntary muscle, your internal sphincter. So, siya na dahil ang maingon sa inyong brain, puno na may diri, dapat na kanang discharge na yun. It will send signals to your brain so that the voluntary muscle known as your external anal sphincter would then be activated as well so that defecation would occur. That's why kasaway mo, naglain yung tiyan, pero dito mo ganahan malibang, sulayin ninyo. Magsingot na din mo, grabe kaayo, no? Grabe kayo yung singot ka na. Kahit ka naman, naglibog na, nag-away na yung internal o external anal sphincter. Ganahan na siya, mamulat ko, ikaw po, ganahan ko kayo sa kalibang, ako kay CR lang tarong. Okay? Your defecation reflex is the one that activates it. Okay? Next, let us go to your disease entities called your diverticulosis and diverticulitis. So, unsa may kaitabuan nito, no, sa diverticulosis. For example, kalibangon kay kanya, di jud ka malibang kay kanang kuan, kanang makagibuhat, no? What will happen? Unsa may kaitabuan na to, no? Di ba asa ni story mong tae sa kanina area, sa sigmoid colon. So, sige contract sa imong haustral contractions and mass movements. Ya, dito ka malibang kay gusto ka imong external anal sphincter kay dili siya move, no? So what will happen? Ang imong sigmoid colon, muhimo siya gamay kaayo nga pouch, no? Siya gamay nga pouch, no? Such that ang tae mosulod dito. Okay? And what will happen? That could cause bleeding and infection, and hence it is what we call as your diverticulitis. No? Diverticulosis is just the outpouching. So, nakay pouch yung gamay. Pero if masudlan na ginagtain dira, then it would become diverticulitis. Yeah, there would be inflammation and bleeding as well. No? OR ni bahog kayo ni, no joke. Bahog kayo ni. Because it's already formed magod na tayo. So, usually we have to get those diverticula or diverticulosis para ma-normalize na po ang sigmoid colon. O na, kalibangon in taon mo. Ayaw taon mo, 1 3 days pa. 3 days na mo kalibang mo po. Ayaw din taon. Makayag everyday. Na, buhata. No? It's bad for your digestive organs na ma-strain o ayaw. Then, we have conditions called your diarrhea and your constipation. So ang diarrhea usually inani agnaw no. Kanang libuok kayo. Constipation din eh. Diarrhea inani po grabe kayo, tumikot kayo.
Tangkar.
So if normally sige ka o bawas, then your stool should be like this no? Or ganito. So, what is the problem with diarrhea? Constipation. I think kita man siguro tanan, dili nakasulay either which diarrhea and constipation. Diarrhea is usually imong stool kay watery. Sa akong pangutana, daghan kag water na reabsorb or wala water na reabsorb kayo? Wala, no? Wala mo nang naa sa atong tae. So, usually, diarrhea, lesser ang reabsorption and contact time sa imong stool sa imong large intestine. Again, lesser ang contact time. Kung sa'yo problema sa constipation, no? Constipation is gahi kayo ang tae. Anong mura ka o kanang murag feeling mga anak ka o ano, baby na katae, no? So, what happens in there? Taas kayo ang contact time. So, kung pauta na, daghag tubig or gamay ng tubig? Wala, okay? Solid kayo, no? So, that is the difference with your constipation and diarrhea. So, if imong problem is dugay kita malibang, so imong tae, taas sa contact time, less than ang contact time sa large intestine. Taas. So, sa may problem na constipation. Sige po kag kalibang, mas sila ang contact time, dugay ang contact time. More water, less water.
More.
What's the problem? Diarrhea. So, that is the kung ano problem if ano na kay diarrhea, na kay constipation. I think that's the end of my discussion. We will have our posters, no? 5 items na identification, the 10 will be multiple choice. Lalo na, I'll give you 10 minutes. Everything is in my discussion. Bilang mo, ganyan na. Prepare na lang 140.
Dinaanak ko sa tika mo.
Yeah.
Murag og
Concern mo? Auto po. Test na lang ako. Test na lang. Test for next week. Hindi ba? Test na ako. Ang focus na.
Focus siya?
Nakta.